Emily's rubbish. Emily is a grand green angel. She's very proud of her big wheels and her perfect polished face. One morning, Emily was very excited. The Fat Controller had told her to work with a new engine. I hope he's smart and useful, she wished. Emily met Thomas waiting at a signal. The new engine is waiting for you at the shunting yards, tooted Thomas. I can't wait to meet him, puffed Emily, and she chuffed away as fast as her tail could go. Emily steamed into the shunting yards to look for the new engine. He was the scruffiest engine she had ever seen. Hello, Emily, wished the new engine happily. My name's Whiff because I'm a bit smelly. You're going to help me collect rubbish. Emily was horrified. Come on then, she sighed. Let's get started. Gordon was talking to James and Henry in a siding. When they saw Emily with Whiff, they laughed. Hello, whistled Whiff. Who's your messy new friend with the funny whistle, Emily? Snorted James. We smelt you coming for miles, wheezed Gordon grandly. My name's Whiff, whistled Whiff. It suits you, laughed Henry. Phew! Emily was very embarrassed. She hurried away. Whiff puffed after her. Up the line, Emily and Whiff passed more engines. When they saw Whiff, they all laughed too. Emily was tired of being teased. I must get away from Whiff, she hoped. Emily tapped her pistons. Wait for me, whistled Whiff. But Emily wasn't going to wait for Whiff. And soon, Whiff was a long way behind. Emily was glad Whiff was gone. It's not my fault if you can't keep up. Later, Emily had to wait for Elizabeth at a crossing. Where's this new engine? Honked Elizabeth grandly. You got lost? Wished Emily. No, I didn't, whistled Whiff cheerfully. Hello. Oh, sniffed Elizabeth. Aren't you going to introduce me to your new friend? But Emily didn't want anything more to do with Whiff. She chuffed away as fast as her pistons would pump. Wait for me, whistled Whiff cheerfully. Up ahead, Emily saw a branch line. Maybe if I puff down here, Whiff wouldn't see me. And Whiff didn't see him. He puffed past on the main line. Emily chuffed all around the Fat Controller's railway. She tried to hide from Whiff, but still, everywhere Emily went, Whiff always found her. In every tunnel, and in every siding. At last, Emily escaped from Whiff. Thank goodness, she went. Now no one will laugh at me for working with such a smelly engine. Up ahead, Emily saw Spencer. He was very cross. I'm meant to be taking the Duke and Duchess of Boxford to an important lunch, puffed Spencer. But my way is blocked by all these smelly rubbish trucks. Flatten my funnel, steamed Emily. They were the rubbish trucks that Emily and Whiff should have cleared earlier. Someone will have to move them, sniffed Spencer. Emily knew that was her job. I suppose I'll have to move them. Oh, she shuddered. Emily